This video focuses Introduction to Python File Handling by asking ChatGPT, Introduction to Python File Handling. With examples and code explanations, we can get the basic knowledge of Python file handling. File handling in Python allows us to work with files for tasks such as reading, writing, and modifying data. Python provides built-in functions to open, read, write, and close files. The primary functions and methods used in file handling include open, read, write, and close. 1. Use open to open a file. 2. Use read, readline, or readlines to read the file. 3. Use write, or writelines to write to the file. 4. Use close to close the file. Let's explore example 1, opening and closing a file. In this case, use open, example.txt, w, to open example.txt in write mode. Use write, hello, Python file handling, to write the string into the file. Use close, to close the file after the operation to free up system resources. Next, example 2, writing to a file. In the following example, we open a file in append mode and write multiple lines. Use open, example.txt, to open the file in append mode, adding to the file without overwriting. Use write, \n, to add a new line before writing. Use close, to release system resources after the operation is completed by closing the file. Next, example 3, reading from a file. We can read the content of a file using various methods. You can use read to read the entire contents of a file. You can use readline to read a single line from the file. You can use readlines to read all lines from the file into a list. Next, example 4, using the with statement for file handling. Python provides the with statement, which automatically closes the file after the block of code is executed. This eliminates the need to explicitly call close. The with block ensures that the file is properly closed even if an exception occurs. Next, example 5, handling exceptions. It's a good practice to handle exceptions during file operations using try except blocks. This prevents the program from crashing if the file doesn't exist. Finally, let's take another look at the feature of file handling. This basic introduction to Python file handling allows you to work with files in various modes, ensuring that you can both read and write efficiently in your applications. Use open to open a file. Use read, readline, or readlines to read from the file. Use write, or writelines to write to the file. Use close to close the file, or use the with statement to automatically close it.